Hi everyone, I'm Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribe the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we will be discussing the first kind of adjective that is known as adjectives of quality or descriptive adjectives. So let's start our today's topic. You know what are adjectives of quality and descriptive adjectives? Definition is those adjectives or adjectives of quality and descriptive adjectives tell us quality, goodness, badness, color, size, shape, temperature of a person, place, or a thing. So, those adjectives or adjectives of quality and descriptive adjectives are adjectives which tell us the quality, goodness, badness, color, size, shape, temperature of a person, place, or a thing. So let's start our today's topic. First example. First one is quality. He is an intelligent student. Now, intelligent is your adjective, which is adding something in the meaning of noun and describing the quality. And you know, if you remove student, then it will add something in the meaning of pronoun e. So it adds something in the meaning of noun and pronoun describes quality. Now, intelligent is the adjective which is adding something in the meaning of noun and describing the quality. Second example, goodness. Now, say you are a kind teacher. Kind is an adjective which is adding something in the meaning of teacher and telling you the goodness. Badness, like I say, she was a cruel lady. Now, cruel is an adjective which is adding something in the meaning of lady. So, that is known as badness. Next example is color. It is a red shirt. So, red is an adjective which is adding something in the meaning of shirt and telling you the quality of an adjective. Next, we have got size. That is a big room. So, over here, size is big. Big is adding something in the meaning of room and telling you the size of a room. Next, we have got shape. World is oval. Before they would say world is flat, then they said round, but now in today's time they say that world is oval shaped. So oval is an adjective which is adding something in the meaning of world noun. And next example we have got of temperature. Like I say, weather is hot today. Hot is an adjective adding something in the meaning of weather. So see, an adjective is a word which adjectives of quality and descriptive adjectives are those adjectives which describe quality, goodness, badness, color, size, shape, and temperature. Intelligent is adding something in the meaning of student, that is known as a person, and teacher is again a person, lady is a person, shirt is a thing, room is a thing, and world is a place, and weather is known as thing. You could say that is known as adjective. So add something in the meaning of noun and pronoun. And descriptive and adjectives of qualities are those adjectives which describe or which tell us the quality, goodness, badness, color, size, shape, temperature of a person, place, or a thing. So that is the first kind. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.